I feel like 2020 taught a huge lesson to the sneaker community. Because the way I see things now, heat is heat. It don't really matter where it come from. With all the bots going nuts and, all the scarcity and production, I mean, somebody had to come save the day. Enter Sneaker Underground. Now, what is the Sneaker Underground? The Sneaker Underground is an underground community of customizers and consumers who just love the product, love sneakers, and just gotta get their hands on styles that they like and that they gonna rock. And in this new series, we gonna crown our underground king, because they deserve it. And we starting with a big one that'll be the metric for most. And that's, of course, David Weeks and kool.kiy's Air Kiy. Technology TV, welcome to the underground, baby. So if you ain't know, David and Kiy been busting all over the tri-state and made their way down south this all-star weekend to Atlanta. Of course, they made a huge splash with a bunch of celebrities and rappers coming out, including Jadakiss and Offset. You can find their social media and their websites in the description. Now, on this channel, we like to use the term underground and not the term bootleg. Well, why don't we call them bootlegs? Have you ever heard anyone call the Bapester a bootleg? Does anyone call the Amiri Scalebones a bootleg? If you had a Nike Blazer in one hand and a Chuck Taylor in the other hand, which one is the bootleg? If you have 3 white t-shirts, one from Fruit of the Looms, one from Hanes, and one from Champion, which one is the bootleg? All designers design with inspiration. They buy other products, they look at other products, they make vision boards. Products inspire other products. Here we feel using the term bootleg is an insult to the designer. Just look at the product for what it is. Look at the design. Forget about all other designs like it. Ask yourself if you like it. Ask yourself, if you rock it, will you knock it out the park? Does it look good on you? Do you make it look good? And then take those feelings and let it decide whether or not you want to purchase. Now, David and Kiy are real designers. They have other products available. I would strongly suggest going through their websites, going through their social media, and just taking a look. Like, I'm telling you, my G, you gonna find something you like. No cap, for real. But enough of the small talk. Let's get to it. Bust this open. Bang. Now, right off the bat, it's a lot to say here. Like, custom box with custom art. I mean, you just get a premium feel out the gate. If you saw this on a shelf, you'll be like, yo, what is that? So you can see he also has his custom tags. Hope you can see that. For sizing, which is dope. And up here you see we got Statue of Liberty. We got Kobe with a halo. I mean, all these little things, a bunch of sneaker silhouettes. All these little things, that make up this brand, that make up their inspiration. You can just tell, they sat at the round table with this and got it together. But let's go, let's get it. Bang. Whew. Look at that. In the box, poster. Poster. Who still does this? Like, who gives you a poster? It's crazy. World is yours. Dust bag. Again, only so many brands do this, and sneaker brands, I don't know, and with the Reves logo on it, which is the brand name under which this footwear is created. And what better pair to debut, for me, to debut, than the NY Air Kiys, all right? Ooh, let's talk about it. Wow, lot going on. Hang tag, dope. Air Kiy on the inside, a couple sneaker silhouettes. Look at that. And this is the exact sneaker. This is not like a generic hang tag. This is a hang tag they made for this sneaker, which is dope. And out the gate, the sneaker definitely feels premium. All right, now I got a lot of these underground kicks. So when I tell you the sneaker feels premium, That's a fact. Sneaker, the leather feels premium. The padding on the collar up here is pretty good. Jersey material on the inside, this is dope. You know, it has good padding on it. You know, it has good ankle support. And the leather all the way through. Oof. Yeah, oh man. A little bit of tumble on this, on the quarter. Feels good. Definitely has the new sneaker smell is like kicking off this thing. That's probably, you know, because the materials, the quality is so good. I mean, you don't get it like this anymore. You know, it's very hard to get a pair out the box that's just hitting like this. Like how they got, you know, like the age sole going on. Dope. You know, that's a big thing in the sneaker community right now. Some people are, you know, paying to age their soles. And you know, Kiy, being a member of the sneaker community, David Weeks being a member of the sneaker community, they gave us the age sole. We don't have to pay extra for it. Perfect. All right. It feels like there's even extra padding. It's like on the tongue. The comfort is just here for you. The comfort is here for you. We got custom insole. See there? Company logo in there. And all together, this is a quality piece of footwear. It just is. There's nothing you can really say about it. I mean, I didn't even do the packaging all of its justice, you know? Bang. You know, on like, this is like kind of like a marble print on here with the company logo. On the inside, you get your extra laces. I have a lot of these underground kicks. A lot of times when you get extra laces on your underground kicks, they kind of just throw it in the box. I mean, look, you know, everybody's starting out. Everybody doesn't know how to get things done a certain way. I mean, I'm sure there's a machine that does this, not a human being. You know, everybody doesn't have access to everything. So, you know, you got to give your, you know, newcomer some time to evolve, for their product to evolve. But this product, it just seems like it, you know, for this to be, you know, presumably their first rodeo, this product comes very evolved. Like, it comes with everything you want. It even comes with, they were in the bag, so they're not featured in this video, but it even comes with keychains. Like, seriously, you know. And like I said, that was all just thrown in the bag for me when I went to purchase, and it was great. You know, you can purchase these online if you follow them on their social media and you catch the drops, but I was able to purchase these in New York City at a pop-up event. Again, the padding on this thing is really good. The leather is really good. You just won't be disappointed. They might come at a bit of a higher price tag than most other brands you purchase, but to me, I feel like the purchase was worth it. It's just nice to see a culture of independent sneaker manufacturers just grow and change the game. Like, this, to me, is just great to see. As you can see, the NY stitched on the heel here. I mean, you know, I just can't, I feel like I can't let this pair go. You know what I mean? The QA, QC on these seems to be very good. The stitching is really nice. It's just really nice. It's just a really nice sneaker, you know? You really can't go wrong with it. You really can't. As I said in the beginning of the video, this sneaker will be the metric for a lot of underground pairs. I mean, the guys just put their whole foot in it. I mean, I can only imagine, you know, how many samples they went through before they got to this. Follow David and Kiy on Instagram. Turn those post notifications on so you can get updates on new and upcoming products, and just let the underground live. Let the underground live. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and throw a comment out there to let me know how you feel about these, if you got them, or if you need some help getting them. I actually have 3 pairs of Air Kiys in 3 different colorways. So if you have questions about them, feel free to ask, and I'm gonna give you the real. It's your boy Fresco, once again, Technology TV, doing it for the underground. Be easy, my G.